Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Toyota Supra, a car that needs no introduction. This legendary sports car has roared back onto the scene, and it's more thrilling, refined, and iconic than ever before. So, buckle up, grab the wheel and let's explore what makes this Supra a must-have for driving enthusiasts. Exterior. First things first, let's talk about that head-turning design. The Supra's sharp lines, bulging fenders, and aerodynamic curves scream performance. The new front fascia with the prominent grille and LED headlights is aggressive yet sophisticated, and the iconic double bubble roof, it's not just a nod to the past, it also improves handling and stability. Whether you choose the head-stopping 45th anniversary edition with its unique color options or the classic, sporty look, the Supra is guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. But the Supra's beauty is more than skin deep. Under the hood, you have a choice of two potent engines, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder churning out 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque, or the mighty 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, a beast producing 382 horsepower and 368 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are mated to a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, with the 3.0 offering the option of a thrilling 6-speed manual. This translates to exhilarating acceleration, sharp handling, and a connected driving experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. Interior. Step inside the Supra, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that prioritizes comfort and performance. The supportive seats hug you in all the right places, and the high-quality materials exude a premium feel. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system are intuitive and easy to use, while the available head-up display keeps your eyes on the road. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up a canyon road, the Supra's interior is a delight to spend time in. But the Supra isn't just about raw power and performance. It's a car that's as comfortable on a daily commute as it is on a weekend track day. The surprisingly spacious trunk can accommodate your groceries or luggage, while the available safety features, including blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning, provide peace of mind. The Supra is a versatile sports car that can be your everyday companion and your weekend warrior. So, is the 2024 Toyota Supra worth your hard-earned money? Absolutely. It's a car that delivers on all fronts, offering thrilling performance, stunning design, and surprising practicality. If you're looking for a sports car that's more than just the sum of its parts, a car that truly embodies the spirit of driving, then the Supra deserves a serious look. It's a legend reborn, redefined, and ready to take you on an unforgettable journey. What are you waiting for? Visit your local Toyota dealer today and experience the 2024 Supra for yourself. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this modern marvel. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.